Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. This is Nyla and I'm here with Al. And today we are showing you a beautiful 1966 Corvette convertible.
Nyla, I have some pictures. If someone calls, we have actual videos of this car being pulled out of a barn in Pennsylvania. It was a true barn find. It is a true numbers matching 427 4-speed. It is a complete frame off restoration, which we will post all the pictures of the frame. The coolest thing about this too, when we got the body off, the crayon markings, when they write on the frame the different numbers, dates, times and stuff, we took pictures of them. They were in perfect shape. Car's been completely repainted, new suspension, new tires, new bumpers, interior, brand new top. Motor's completely redone with a warranty. It's got 1 year, 12,000 miles worth of warranty on it. Started, I think it got finished in May. So that's been completely redone. It is a numbers matching car. We do have the block stampings to prove it. Just a real fun car. It took us about a year to get it all together, get all the parts, but we have a working dashboard completely. Just really an exciting experience. It took us a year to do it. It always has been the blue color that it is. The top on the car before was black. We put white on it just to make it look a little better. In my opinion, my wife picked that out. We got functional seats. The only thing that's not working, and they'll probably tell, is the windshield wiper. We're having a problem getting a motor for that as of right now, but I'm sure in the next couple of days we'll have it done. We wanted to get some pictures and get it up and get it online.
Sure.
But she is a true number matching 427 4-speed, and we have all the documentation online to prove it.
Really
so let's
pretty.
take it for a spin, huh?
All right, sounds good. Let's go for a ride.
Here we go. So all the gauges have all been replaced, Nyla. Clutch has been redone. Obviously it's a frame off. You can't see it in the dark here, but your tack works, your speedometer works. Here we go. We're going to take her for a little quick spin around, then we'll get her on the hoist. Exhaust system, manifold, everything's been redone. Wow, isn't this cool?
Like being in a time capsule.
Yeah, it's really kind of cool too how we got this car out of a barn. I got pictures and videos actually showing it. We got 3 cars out of that barn that day. This happened to be the cream up in the mall. Shifts and drives, goes down really straight. Watch the traffic, and I'll take her on a spin again. Here we go. That again. We have half a tank of fuel, a quarter tank of fuel in it. Go ahead and stop her here so we don't get run over by this traffic on Lakewood Ranch. All the panels are all brand new on the door trim panels too. Emergency brake works.
Beautiful.
Here we go again. So I'll put her up on the hoist after we do another ship for it.
Take a look underneath.
After we spin it around.
After we spin it around.
Right, man.
See, look, we're spinning
We're
it
spinning
around.
Right on the hoist. Take that, Shane.
All right, thanks for tuning in.